So, today class, we are going to learn a song that goes along with what we learned yesterday about the summer solstice. But before we start the song, before we learn it, I want you to think back to the picture that I showed you. And I want you to think about all that we talked about, all the feelings you had, all of that, but especially the facts. Because you're going to use those facts that you learned yesterday, hopefully all of them you remember, and we're going to write a song. So, tell me what you know about the summer solstice. How many times does a solstice happen in a year? That's right, 2. So, each of those happen in the north and the south. What is that area called? Anybody remember? They're called hemispheres. So if we're in 2 different areas, in 2 different months, what months did we talk about them happening in? June and December, that's right. So what do we call the June one? Midsummer, that's right. That's why it's called a summer solstice. And then December is just December. But what happens when we have a solstice? What does the Earth's axis do? That's right, it tilts. And what does it tilt towards? The big ball in the sky. Yes, the sun. So that's at a certain degree. Does anybody remember what degree it tilts to? It's 23.44. So, let's do a little song that has all of that in it. A summer solstice happens twice a year, each in the north and the south hemisphere. June and December, that's easy to remember. The north is midsummer and south is December. The earth tilts towards its max, each at a certain degree. The sun is out the longest, and that's okay by me. A summer solstice happens twice a year, each in the north and the south hemisphere. June and December, that's easy to remember. The north is midsummer and south is December.